What we're doing is combining two great companies.
Rentenbach has been successfully building relationships with our design partners, subcontractors, and clients for a very long time.
What makes Christman unique in historic preservation is our passion for detail.
I am especially excited about the BIM and virtual modeling capabilities that we now have at our disposal.
One of the things that we really believe strongly in is the building as an investment for the client, for the organization.
The number one focus we have, whether it's in the development company or Christman at large, is helping our customers be successful.
When Tom Rentenbach founded our company, his guiding principles were to provide solutions and services based upon professionalism and quality. 68 years later, as it became time for Rentenbach to evolve from a family-owned business to a management and employee-owned model, we are truly fortunate to find a partner in the Christman Company who shares our same culture, values, and vision. We are proud to be sporting our new logo that connects the Rentenbach brand with that of Christman, expanding our horizons together through strategic growth while continuing our core commitment of building with integrity.
Clearly, we're very excited about what this blend can mean to our clients, to our people, and to our friends. So I'm excited today to give you a little sip of what these new services can mean, but I'll turn it over to our own experts, leaders, and partners to tell you more.
What makes Christman unique in historic preservation is our passion for detail. Whether the owner has a house museum on one end or a historic preservation tax credit project on the other, our group understands the differences in those projects. We bring a wealth of experienced planners as well as superintendents to do the work. So we've got both ends of the spectrum covered in that part of the preservation world. And then it's really being a partner with our owners to achieve what their best goals are for their building.
When I think about the blending of our two companies, I think first of the opportunity that we have to improve upon the construction excellence that Rentenbach has always been known for. The additional capabilities and resources of our new partner bring a level of added value to every project through a more comprehensive approach. I am especially excited about the BIM and virtual modeling capabilities that we now have at our disposal.
Christman's approach to virtual design and construction, or BIM, is somewhat unique in that we really try to maximize BIM from the very beginning before we even are awarded a project, all the way through planning and construction and then into the closeout of the job.
Not only do they promote better collaboration in the planning and the construction cycles of a project, but they also enhance the final product. And they produce a maintainable model that we can leave behind with our customer to use through the lifetime of their facility.
And throughout each phase, we're really looking to understand where we can maximize typical construction processes using an increased visualization and data transfer that the BIM provides.
Good partners improve each other. And that's what all this is about, is two great companies coming together to make each other better. And in turn, raising our collective customer service to a whole new level. That's just good stuff.
One of the things that we really believe strongly in is the building as an investment for the client, for the organization. When we look at creating a purposeful facility with a client, we are trying to help them create the vision that they have for their organization in the process of building as well as in the outcome of the facility that gets created. To me, that's a really unique way for clients to think about a building as something that helps them achieve their goals.
What we're doing is combining two great companies, companies that have invested in human capital.
The number one focus we have, whether it's in the development company or Christman at large, is helping our customers be successful.
For the planning group, what we're doing is basically taking the best of the best in terms of processes, procedures, tools, and really coming up with something special.
We take the customer's needs and we try to balance those and craft a custom set of tools for that specific challenge, whatever that is. In real estate, That can mean anything from helping a customer make a decision about a site location, to helping them acquire land, to doing a full redevelopment or development project where we provide the capital, or doing that kind of a project where we simply serve as a service provider or manager on their behalf. We try to have as many options to be their solution as we can, and then build the relationship and do as many projects with them as we can.
In the self-performed demolition, we're not a mass demolition contractor. We are more a surgical demolition contractor. Oftentimes, we find that in the historical preservation arena with the Christman Company, and even out on our own working for other contractors. In the concrete world, we have a high degree of expertise in mass concrete, high-density concrete, very complex jobs that require formwork and structural design that is difficult to form. On the flat work side, we do the large 40 to 50,000 square foot per day pour flat work jobs. Just completed one of over 500,000 square feet in record time. Those are the jobs we like to do.
We also bring a real huge level of expertise to understanding historic buildings, so it allows us to understand the building, what its needs are, and the best way to preserve it and the best way to reuse it for the future.
We've worked on such significant projects as the Golden Dome at Notre Dame and the Virginia State Capitol. The fancier the better. We like the challenge and we're up to it.
Rentenbach has been successfully building relationships with our design partners, subcontractors, and clients for a very long time. I'm sure they're aware of our high level of service and quality that we apply to our construction projects, but I'm most proud of our high level of integrity. And that's the reason why I'm excited about our partnership with Christman, because they have a similar approach to business and construction. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to talking to you about our expanded resources and menu of services and how they may apply to your project very soon.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to let us share the story of the Rentenbach and Christman blend. Let's get together soon over a cup of coffee and talk about the possibilities of working together. The future is looking robust, and the possibilities of what we can collectively stir up are truly infinite.